All right, just one of the 4 agencies have to do this every day. And this is the process on how to do this. First, you want to make sure that your highlighter is on. Make sure that all these have the pause mark for the agencies in your group. Then you want to hit the Today tab on the BGO schedule. Sorry, when it's recording, this takes forever, so I might pause it as it's uploading. You just want to go to schedule, hit Control A, and copy, right-click and copy. Then you want to go to the Shoeman Master Schedule, and we want to put this on the Today tab. You're just going to hit the upper corner here to delete the old one. I've already deleted it today. Just click in the A1 column, right-click, and paste. I'm going to pause this for a second while this loads, because when it's recording it takes forever. Alright, once it's copied and pasted, you want to highlight every row that's above where the actual title of the event is. You want to right click and hit delete rows 1 to 6. Sometimes there's more depending on how BGO's schedule is messed up. But as long as we get it, so we want the first row to have the actual name for the event. Then, because BGO refuses to fix this, I've been trying to have them move this column over 1, which would fix everything, and they will not do it. So what we want to do is, before the friendly, the column before, you want to right-click and you want to add a column. It doesn't matter if it's left or right. As long as there's 2 columns in here, this moves this over, and then it fixes all the coding for the schedule. Let me pause this a second while that loads on the next sheet. All right, once that's done, if you have any hosts that have any of the old style PKs, such as Impossibles 50% to 60%, this is where you want to copy them onto your schedule. There's one there for the lights. Starshine. So there's only 2 on there. So those you actually want to copy from here and then put them on your agency master backend. So this is the only front page. I will have directions on the front tab. And on the data page, I will have the highlighter update for the highlighter so that everybody updates all at the same point. Don't know what happened there. Probably a reboot will fix that. But I will have the link there for the highlighter so that you can upload the highlighter so that when whichever agency uploads that page, it has the coding for all of the agencies. So once that's done, and this is also where I do the family stuff too that I'm still redoing for this year. If you want your family put on the schedule list highlighted, it's only $20 a year for me to set it up. Okay, so once that's done, then you go into your agency management backend and hit your search schedule, and your information should be here. All right, we got 26 events today, and you want to get to the friendly here first to make sure it's on the 11th, so this is updated for today. You can also check your events tab. It should say that you got 26 events today, and it will break down which host has which events. So if there's something you can't find, this is an easy way to cross-reference it to see who has what or what's missing. Now there is one glitch on this. Like I found out last month, if the host is on the schedule twice for a friendly, it'll show up here. So just check here and check all your 1s to make sure there's no 2s. This is if your numbers don't balance. So if this number doesn't match this number, then you know you got a double. Because what happens is when it codes, these lines for the coding is only going to drop 1 result. So if they have multiple, it doesn't load to the next column. Now for Livehouse, I'm going to change that. I'm working on that now because Livehouse, there's a lot of doubles through the week. So I'm going to add probably 2 or 3 lines per host ID so that if they're on the live house for 2 or 3 days, it will drop down. But I'm not going to do that for the rest because it's way too much data for something that will slow everybody down too much. All right, that's part 1. Part 2 will be showing how to build the schedule from this.